What's up, internet? It's a holiday Friday, so we're all off today. So I just drove to Leduc to pick up Lane. Let's go see the clam before we go to a pick and pull. Say hi, Gracie. Hi. We're at a pick and pull. Gonna get some starters and a throttle body. Please do not pull parts.
Man, pick and pulls are the bomb.
Ain't much holding that engine in place. Do you need hands?
Maybe.
There you go.
Yeah, definitely need to not like soak that bad boy in some.
Yeah, give it a good scrub. Probably got 300,000 on it.
Yeah, I bet this ain't no low mileage. So, like a funny story about coming here, I called down and asked the guy. I said, "Hey, I'm looking for a cable, drive-by cable throttle body for a LS swap I'm doing." And he's like, "Oh yeah, we really don't have that many of those trucks around here. So I mean, you can come down." I said, "Well, you got like 8 listed on your website." And he's like, No, we update it every day. There's only 1 or 2 here." And so far we found this Yukon. There's one right there. There's an Avalanche and another couple 1500s down there. There's the one we got the throttle body. There's like probably 10 of these trucks. So I mean, it's good to know, because when we blow the car up, we got 10 replacement engines. We found a 6-liter over there. So good to know. So we got a dipstick, starter, and a throttle body. So like everything we need to get the unit on, pretty much almost everything we need to get the unit going and on the road. $89. Edmonton Pick and Pull.
Hey, we got stuff and things. Also, drink G Fuel. That shit's good. This morning I pulled the engine out. Did not turn the camera on. I'm working by myself today. Gonna tack in the motor mounts, or tacked in the motor mounts. I'm going to full weld them in. Sorry, Lane, sucks to be you. That's what happens when you work 2 on, 1 off, and you have a baby on the way. So I'm getting shit done without ya. Engine mounts are in and straight, and I didn't mess up my welds. Everything looks good. Pretty proud of myself. That's in there, nice and straight. That's where she needs to be. I stopped working on the car, went and bought some seats, and I forgot to bring the camera, so we'll run up to the truck and... Wait a second, what's this? Oh.
Well, I guess I have Subaru life now.
Shit. Just kidding. Don't vape. That shit's bad for you. But, yeah. Hopefully these fit in here real nice. They're basically perfect except for a cigarette burn right there, obviously. But this should be perfect.
Alright. Try not to bash the oil pan.
Yeah, don't smash the oil pan off the ground. Oh, yes, dude. Look at that oil pan clearance.
Oh, it's funny this.
Look at that.
We're gonna send that. The car's on the ground, holding its own. Engine's in. Transmission actually kind of shifted a bit from where we originally had it mocked up, but it shifted to bang on perfect. It lines up perfect on the cross member now. So, getting close, getting stoked.
What do you got there?
The bracket for the back of the seat. This plate's going to run along the floor, and these are kind of a support, and then this is run from one rocker to the trans tunnel.
Lane's just finished welding in our brackets. As you can see, got plates. We got to finish welding onto the bottom of the seats here for the driver's side seat. May look crooked, but that's where it needs to sit so everything's level and all that. So as long as it's bolted in good, that's what really matters. And this is our to make everything sit in nice and tight. So take away Lane's big butt. But she ain't gonna go nowhere. It's gonna be way better than how the car seats bolted in from 1977, that's for sure. What you doing, man?
Bolting the seats in for like pretty much the first time since the car has seats.
The car has seats.
For the first time since we pretty much started. They were like the very first things we ripped out was the seats.
Yeah, and then just kneeled. I can't believe we did that well enough that we can use the impact gun. Oh, these are so solid. I'm so impressed.
Okay, so this has a pump.
Only this one does.
Oh, so it is supposed to be the driver's seat.
I may or may not have put the driver's seat in the passenger side, but it works out for when we have door bars. How's that feel, my dude? That's as low as we could go for your head, so you might have to lean a little further back with your helmet. Here you go. Because that gives you a hand's width.
This feels like so much stove.
So I got room for up. That's back. And how much room do you got for forward? Oh, we could throw little girls in the steering wheel to this car.
All the way back.
Oh, you're good. Like that, you don't even want to be all the way back.
There. It's like, I got like tons of room for
Door bars.
Then eventually these seats will have to get
We'll have to get real racing seats.
real racing. Well, that one will stay forever.
Yeah, that one needs a racing
This
seat.
one will eventually be a aluminum seat of some sort.
So far, that's what we got done today. We're thinking more because Lane's not gonna not take his kids for a ride in this car, so we're wanting to be a little bit extra than what this car came with. So we're being a little bit overboard on some things.
Yeah, over designing
for 1977. But
it's definitely better than the stock Buick Skylark seats were bolted in this.
That's right.
So
and with harnesses and everything, it'll be good.
yeah, it'll be probably safer than it was in 1970 off the showroom floor.
That's for sure. So far, today's a good day. Thanks, Robin, by the way, for letting Lane come over. Tell the people how bummed out you are.
Really bummed out. I just want to drive it. We're getting we're close. Like I would say May or June, we can probably have it on the road. Like the stuff we have left is all just little. It's
The tedious long stuff.
the tedious, long, get stuff wired, check wiring, fix brakes, throttle cable.
Yeah.
Like we got seats in it now. We have a place to sit. We need lug nuts. We don't need much.
Fuel pump.
fuel pump is like our last thing we have to spend money on.
Yeah.
And
Like any substantial amount of money, I guess.
yeah.
But we have seats, and it's on the ground, and the engine's in. We still got to clean the engine bay, and
We have to pull the engine one last time, so we can pull the oil pan and get the dipstick tube all rigged up. I'm pretty sure there's a piece broke off in there. Can't remember, but we need to figure that out.
and paint the engine bay,
Paint the engine bay.
and then we can start running holly wires. We're close. We're really close, and it's starting to get warm out, so we really want to get this done.
And I'm not working a whole lot, so we have lots of spare time.
Socially distancing from work. I'm not sure what we're doing next time, but we'll see you later. Love you, bye.